Imagine waking up with stronger muscles without lifting a single weight overnight. Sounds impossible? Most of us pop a magnesium pill before bed and hope it helps, but shocking new research shows magnesium alone barely scratches the surface of true muscle recovery. Today, I'll reveal 2 vitamins that quietly rebuild your muscles while you sleep, so powerful you'll wonder why no one told you sooner. Welcome back to the channel. If you're chasing strength, fighting age-related muscle loss, or just want to recover faster from workouts, this is a must-watch. Barbara O'Neill, the world-renowned natural health educator, has been saying it for years: muscle recovery is a nighttime job. And the real heroes aren't what you think. Before I reveal the exact vitamins, let's step back a moment and talk about why nighttime is such a critical window for rebuilding muscle. You see, most people think muscles grow in the gym. That's actually not true. In the gym, every rep and set puts stress on your muscles, causing the fibers to break down and form tiny microscopic tears from the resistance and weight. That stress tells your body it must adapt and grow stronger, but the real rebuilding, strengthening, and muscle growth take place during rest, especially while you sleep. Sleep is your anabolic window. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, testosterone is regulated, cortisol levels drop, and your muscles get flooded with nutrients that repair those micro tears and build thicker, stronger fibers. This is the stage where recovery either kicks in completely or falls short, and if you're not giving your body the right nutrients before this crucial window, you're missing out on muscle gains night after night. This is why supplements have become such a huge market. People know recovery is everything and they are looking for shortcuts. Magnesium is often highlighted because it plays a key role in muscle relaxation and overall muscle function. But here is the problem: that magnesium isn't enough. Magnesium is great for relaxing muscles, sure, but when it comes to actual tissue repair, it's like showing up to build a house with only a hammer. Important, but incomplete. Your body needs specific nutrients to drive protein synthesis and cellular repair while you're deep in restorative sleep. And that is exactly where these 2 vitamins come in. Vitamin number 1. The first vitamin is vitamin D, the muscle architect. It regulates calcium and phosphorus, the minerals that make muscle fibers contract and rebuild. Research from the Journal of Endocrinology shows that nighttime vitamin D sufficiency enhances the release of growth hormone, your body's natural muscle builder. Bonus, vitamin D improves sleep quality by supporting your circadian rhythm, giving your body the deep, slow-wave sleep needed for maximum recovery. Vitamin number 2. The second powerhouse is vitamin C, but not just for immunity. Vitamin C is a collagen builder, repairing tiny tears in muscle tissue after training or even daily wear and tear. Studies in nutrients reveal that consistent vitamin C intake lowers inflammation markers, helping your muscles heal faster. It also acts as an antioxidant, protecting your muscle cells from free radical damage while you rest. How they work together. Here's the magic: vitamin D boosts muscle protein synthesis, while vitamin C stitches the tissue back together. Taken in the evening, paired with a protein-rich dinner, they create a recovery environment that magnesium alone can't match. Why night? During deep sleep, growth hormone peaks and muscle cells are most active. Supplying these vitamins before bed means your body has the raw materials right when repair is happening. Immune and aging benefits. Better sleep. Stronger immunity. Reduced soreness. And for anyone over 50, these vitamins help fight age-related sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle that steals strength as we get older. Aim for vitamin D. Through safe sun exposure or a high-quality D3 supplement, check with your doctor for dosage. Vitamin C, from citrus fruits, kiwi, berries, or a low-dose supplement if needed. Take them in the evening, ideally with a protein-rich snack, to fuel overnight repair. Forget relying on magnesium alone. Feed your muscles the vitamins they actually crave, and wake up stronger, literally. Try this tonight, and in a few weeks, you'll feel the difference. Have you experimented with nighttime nutrition for recovery? Comment below with your experience, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more science-backed strength tips.